have it really rich and not a lot of timing. Yeah, I'm in boost, I'm like 11.
You don't want to blow it up?
Well, you know, it's just a start. I re-ringed it and rebuilt it. I didn't do a full, you know, bearings and everything. It only had like 80,000 miles on it. I just refreshed it, seals, honed the walls, yeah. And if it blows up, fine, then I'm gonna do a built motor. It's an excuse.
Mr. Brett, are we ready?
We are ready.
Go.
Got a little speed, huh?
Yeah.
I think that was a good run. Yeah, dude, fastest. See, it helps having someone in.
Yep. Clean?
Yeah, I think, wasn't it?
Yeah, that seems clean.
I don't think we got cones, did we?
No. I mean, honestly, most of it's just this thing so, shall we say, unpredictable.
Yes.
It's not so much that you're not trying to be in the right place, it's just it's not going where you want it to be.
And then the difference between slipping and grabbing, there's no like slide in. It's like when it starts going, it just goes, and then all of a sudden it'll grab, and you go, oh, now I can turn.
Brett, you ready?
Yes, sir.
Go.
Coming into it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I remember one of them doing, I remember going, oh, that wasn't good. Just getting that braking after that slalom to get the turn in, it's hard not to push out.
Yes, it is.
And I'm trying to keep my braking points the same, but...
That one was dirty.
Was it?
You hit stuff.
I did?
Yeah.
Where at?
Last slalom.
Did I hit the third cone from the end? Okay. I wasn't sure. I was like...
You'll see it because it'll still be down.
Oh, no one's getting them?
Well, there's someone working at that part right now.
Oh, okay. I thought I hit it, and he goes, I didn't feel it, and I didn't feel it. I saw it. I thought I saw it, but...